Gydag enwau fel Rabi Matondo, Tyler Roberts ac Ethan Ampadu wedi codi tarian y Victory Shield, a fydd rhai o'r garfan bresennol yn efelychu enillwyr blaenorol y tlws a chodi'r darian ar y ffordd I gynrychioli tîm llawn Cymru.
You want the week to be a good week for the boys' development, you know, whether win, lose or draw. However, tournament football, the boys are aware that you're playing for points, and that's how they've kind of like met the challenge. So that the opportunity to be together for a week and play some real competitive games in a tournament format's been really good.
Cafodd Cymru dan 1-15 y dechreuad gorau posib i'r gystadleuaeth yn erbyn Gogledd Iwerddon wrth I Freddie Isaka rwydon gyntaf i'r dreigiau ifanc. Dyblodd Cymru ei mantais drwy gôl hwyr Alfie Cunningham I selio'r triffwynt holl bwysig.
We started really brightly against Northern Ireland, and the first 15-20 minutes I thought we really played well. We had to readjust and adapt at half-time, and I thought we finished the game really strongly as well, you know, and we had a couple of chances towards the end of the game, and we got the killer goal to go 2-0 up. So yeah, really good.
You could sense a few nerves, which is understandable, you know, but the buzz around the place, and we had such a large crowd in there that day, you know, it was a Sunday, so the stands were packed, and it's something the boys have reflected on, and they don't get that in the academy, so that was an exceptional experience. Game
yn erbyn y weriniaeth oedd nesaf. Gôl agoriadol wych gan Callum Hardy yn dilyn bas gelfydd o ganol cae. Joe Belmont yn dyblu'r fantais yn yr ail hanner ac ildio un gôl, Cymru'n dal ei gafael I sicrhau ei hael fuddugoliaeth. A'r garfan yn amlwg yn hapus wrth ddathlu yn ystafell newid.
It was spontaneous. We went into the change room after, and with no prompting whatsoever, all the boys got together, shoulders together, arms over, and they sung and blew up the anthem, and it was absolutely, well, there's tears in your eyes. It was a fantastic experience to be involved in, yeah.
The social part of the tournament, the things that nobody really sees, is hugely important, and Mike, our education welfare officer, takes a lot of credit for supporting the environment that we try to create, you know.
I oversee the education programme. All the schools send the players work, and I oversee that. You need me hand with that, or are you okay? You understand? You understand it, yeah. We also like to introduce the Welsh culture as well, so we use as much individual Welsh as we can. We start off with the word croeso, which is one of the biggest things for the camp. Welcome everybody in. I just want the kids, you know, the players to have the most pleasurable experience they can when they come on camp.
We watch films together, we play FIFA together, everything. We're best friends now.
Boys and just teulu. Ni ddim yn tîm, ni'n teulu. Pan ni ddim gyda Cymru, gyda clubs, ni'n siarad gyda gilydd, ni'n texto, cael y gemau. Just yn dangos really ar y pitch hefyd.
When you come away with Wales, it's a big honour. You're representing your country. They provide everything for us, so it's just a really professional environment.
What goes on behind the scenes with the team behind the team, you know, it's you've got analysts pulling out clips for the boys to try and improve themselves. Got medical people working, looking after the boys, make sure they're fit and ready. Mike doing what he does, you know, but having those people around, doing all those jobs, you know, the team behind the team, that's what's so important, yeah. So these boys can focus on what they're doing.
A'r gêm fawr yn erbyn yr Alban oedd yn olaf a her fawr yn ei hwynebu. Yn anffodus I fechgyn ifanc Craig Knight sgoriodd yr Alban yn gyntaf drwy beniad campus Rory McLeod ar ôl 5 munud ar hugain. Ar ôl gwall amddiffynol ath pethau'n wath I Gymru drwy gôl Alfie Bavidge I ddyblu mantais yr Albanwyr ychydig cyn yr hanner. I Gymru frwydro'n ddewr yn yr ail hanner arhosodd y sgôr yn 2-0. Gyda'r Alban a Chymru'n gorffen ar 6 pwynt yr un, rhannwyd y darian am yr ail dro yn olynol, ond siom Cymru o golli'r gêm wedi'r chwiban olaf yn amlwg.
Across this week, the effort, the drive, the quality that they've shown across the 3 games, you know, it's not about just today, it's across the other 2 games as well. There's so many positives, you know, yeah, they're really flat in there. You know, it feels like they've lost the trophy when in fact, you know, they've shared it. Make no bones about it. The way that 22-man squad has represented our wonderfully small country this week. We are just absolutely blown away and delighted by him.